This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As we come towards the end of the hour here, the first couple of trading hours, the markets are up about 500 points on the Dow. Now the market did gap up about 1,000 points at the open. It's coming off the highs of the early morning open. Now I would just want to show you something as a follow-up to a couple of videos that I did yesterday. Just take note that at the open of this session, today's session being March 13th, the market did come and hit this area here twice and has since pulled back. What I speculate, given that yesterday we saw the general market, as far as the Dow and S&P 500 and Nasdaq are concerned, we saw the markets record the biggest point loss ever. Yesterday down about 10%. And as a follow-up again to a series of videos I did yesterday, what I would like to sensitize everybody here is, more than likely, this market is setting the stage for a massive snapback rally. And we can see here the market's down about pretty much at the lows of the session, given that it gapped up. So it's up about 450 points on the Dow. But I think as the hours are going to change here, as we go into the new hour, I would start to look for that change in momentum and the markets are going to take off. That's my speculation as of right now, based on the charts and the things I am looking at. And by the way, as a follow-up to yesterday's video, we can see at the open, yes, the market did confirm that positive divergence that we were looking at yesterday's close. You can see here, this held, and at the open we did gap up. Now what I'm saying is, be on the lookout. If you know what to look for, is the next thing to look out here is for the market to break out above the recent RSI declining line on the 5-minute window or the 5-minute time frame. Why the 5-minute? Because the VIX is trading at a very high level. That means that the smaller time frames are controlling. So right now we are seeing the market start to pick up momentum. Remember, it was down 450 the last couple of minutes, but now that we've gone into a new hour, I would be on the lookout for a massive push. And this market is going to close at the highs of the session with a big up day. And I would speculate the up day is also going to go into the record books. So right now the biggest up day for the market was 1,200 points, and that was a couple of days ago, March 2nd. My speculation here and my thought process is that the snapback rally that we are about to see is going to break all records, and the market is going to close at its highest single day point gain. This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com, demonstrating the power of technical analysis. Most of these methods are my own researched method over a period of full-time participation in the market spanning 20 years. Peace and blessings. ESS.